Hi, this is Giovanni Vitale, Director of Home Mission. Today we're going to be looking at scheduling with Acuity and adding your availability to the different calendars. So let's switch over to the screen. And this is our home screen. If you look over on the left-hand side, it says Calendar, Availability, and Clients. So we want to add availability. So we'll click on Availability. One note, this calendar settings over here, don't click on this, don't change anything in that area. If you want to change what your bio looks like, if you want to change your picture, anything on those lines, please reach out to me first and I can make those edits for you. A lot of these are, those settings are linked to other areas on our website and you'll probably stop showing up if you edit those. One of the other things you'll notice is that we have two different group areas. You might have three if you volunteered for the free consult calls. So this first one, group one, this is for your individual classes. We have Clear, Blue, and Mirror classes listed. And so this is one calendar. And then we have another calendar here. This is group two appointment types. And these are for your follow-ups. If you click more here, you can see the ongoing consults, session 2, all of that is listed here. So let's start by adding some availability to these follow-up calendars. And we're going to click Edit Available right there. And so if you can see, we're already pulling some stuff from my calendar here. So if you want to look over here, so we have the 2nd and the 3rd. We look over here. I have 2 events. I have Mass tonight. I have dinner with the Vitales. I got morning prayer here. Pierre's a busy guy. And that's pulling that and blocking off those times so I don't get scheduled because I have other commitments. You can add a one-off time just by clicking on any day. Let's say we're going to see somebody on Wednesday. And it's going to be a lunch appointment, 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. And we're going to set those hours. And then you're set. That's already, that's live. If somebody wants to do a follow-up with you, they can schedule a follow-up with you during that time. If you want to have regular work hours, you can click on I have regular hours every week. And let's say every Thursday afternoon, you want to see somebody, you want to do 12 p.m. to, let's say, 3 p.m. to do follow-ups, you can click Save. And then that populates all right here for you. If you go to May, you're going to see those in May as well. One other thing I want to note is that these calendar schedule limits. So if you want to change these, you can. This just changes how the frequency. So don't allow clients to schedule fewer than 24 hours in advance. So you could change that if you want. I'd keep it at 24. I think that's a good number, but maybe you feel otherwise. This will go out 90 days into the future. This is noting that you don't want it to be double booked. So keep that at 1 for sure. And there's a few other things that you can take a look at, but I would just recommend keeping it as it is. So we're going to close out of this. And then same thing with adding times for your individual clients. So let's say every Tuesday night I want to work. So I'll click on that. And then I'll do 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. That'll give me 2 time slots, one at 7 and one at 8:30. So save those regular hours. They show up every day. Let's say there's one I want to cancel. I could click on it and I could cancel that one. And just by deleting it and then setting those hours. And then that one says close now. We can close out of here. And if you notice, we can click on calendar over here. And if you want to block off times, you can block off times by just clicking block off over here. And then you can set those parameters. and make sure you're clicking the calendars that you want to be blocked off. Um, and then you can click multiple days as well. So if you're going on vacation, you can block off multiple days, which is a helpful tool to have. And we're going to end this video here. Next video, we'll talk about what it's like when you get your first clients.